Looking at problem number 6, it says 5 small cities in California gave information about the percentage of upper teenagers not in school and the death rate per 1,000 students. Given the following information, can we use the percentage of students not in school to predict the death rate? Since I want to do a prediction, this is actually a linear regression problem. I want to use the x variable of what we have right here to predict the y variable, what we have right here. So this is going to be a linear regression t-test. And my null hypothesis will be that the slope is 0 versus the alternative hypothesis, the slope is not 0. In other words, I could use that information to make a prediction. Here are the conditions. I've typed them, so I can just slide that over here. And the conditions are, there is a true linear relationship. I need to check the residual plot for that. I'm not going to go through all of these right now. The standard deviation is constant throughout the domain. Again, check the residual plot and see if the spread's increasing or decreasing. And then I need the residuals to be normally distributed around the line. I can make a histogram of the residuals to check that out and make sure it's approximately normal. I've already typed the numbers into my calculator in L1 and L2. So now I'm going to perform a stat test linreg t-test where my data is in L1 and L2. I'm doing a two-sided not equal to test, and it will store the regression equation in Y1 for me. When I calculate it, I get this information here, which includes my test statistic, my p-value, my degrees of freedom, that's the number of points minus 2. And if I scroll down a little further, I can see the whole line right there. But with a p-value like that, I will almost certainly fail to reject at most alpha levels.